Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject Services Marketing, we will be studying the dimensions of service quality. Okay. See, service quality. In the last lecture, we have gone through what is service quality. Service quality means, yes, quality into the service which you are offering through your service providing company. Okay, see, whenever we consider service, what is service? Service is anything which is intangible in nature, as per the consumer needs, as per the consumer requirements, as per the consumer demands. Okay, whenever as per the consumer requirements and expectations, as per the consumer requirements and expectations, you provide services. Okay, and whenever the features of the service and the consumer requirements, they match with each other, whenever they match with each other, surely it is called as service quality. Okay, so the quality based service marketing strategy, it is sustainable, as not all competitors can achieve the service quality expected by the consumers. Okay, the most significant positioning tool of service providers and their offer on the contemporary service market is the service quality. Okay, so whenever we consider positioning of your company, okay, if you want to establish a position in the market, okay, म्हणजे तुम्हाला मार्केटमध्ये तुमच्या सर्व्हिसची एक स्टेटस, एक पोझिशन समजा निर्माण करायचं असेल, then what you are required to do? Yes, you are required to offer quality into your service. Okay, whatsoever service you are providing through your company, what you should be doing? Yes, always you should look at the superiority in the quality of whatsoever you are providing, is it? So whenever we consider the service which we are offering through our manufacturing unit, through our company, first and foremost thing, always it should be quality content into whatsoever you are providing through your company. जेही आपण आपल्या कंपनी थ्रू प्रोवाईड करतो, ज्या सर्व गोष्टी आपण आपल्या कंपनी थ्रू प्रोवाईड करतो, त्या कंपनीमध्ये त्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये किंवा जी सर्विस आपण प्रोवाईड करतो त्या सर्विसमध्ये क्वालिटी आहे का? कारण की जेव्हा एखादा व्यक्ती किंवा एखादा कस्टमर तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनकडे अप्रोच होतो, जेव्हा एखादा कस्टमर तुमच्या प्रोडक्टकडे अप्रोच होतो, तेव्हा येस, तो जर एखाद्या प्रोडक्टसाठी, एखाद्या सर्विससाठी अगदी 10 रुपये पे करणार असेल किंवा अगदी 5 रुपये जरी पे करणार असेल, तरीसुद्धा त्याच्यामधून जे व्हॅल्यू किंवा बेनिफिट मिळतं ते 5 रुपयापेक्षा जास्तच मिळावं असं तो अपेक्षित करतो, राईट? सो इफ यू प्रोवाइड हिम समथिंग मोर दॅन 5 रुपीज, that is the satisfaction more than 5 rupees, then surely yes, he will say that there is a quality into the product which is offered by this company. तो काय म्हणेल की ह्या कंपनीचं जे प्रोडक्ट आहे, ही कंपनी जे सर्विस प्रोवाईड करते आहे, इज इट, त्याच्यामध्ये 100% क्वालिटी आहे, इज इट. म्हणजे त्याचे जे एक्सपेक्टेशन्स आहेत त्या एक्सपेक्टेशनप्रमाणे समजा तुमचं प्रोडक्ट असेल, तुमची सर्विस असेल, ओके, ते कन्झ्युम केल्यानंतर तो समजा सॅटिस्फाईड झाला, तो समजा सॅटिस्फाईड झाला तर ही विल सी दॅट येस देर इज अ क्वालिटी इन टू द सर्विस. इज इट? And if you are not providing quality as per his expectation, if you are not providing features as per his expectations into the product, then what will happen? He will not repurchase your service. He will not, yes, he will not revisit to your service providing company. Is it? Okay. So if you think that a customer should every time approach your organization, प्रत्येक वेळी ते तुमच्या कंपनीकडे आलं पाहिजे असं तुम्हाला अपेक्षित असेल तर काय करणं गरजेचं आहे? येस, यू शुड ऑलवेज स्ट्राइव हार्डर. यू शुड ऑलवेज स्ट्राइव हार्डर फॉर द क्वालिटी into the service which you are providing through your company. So if you think that the consumer should establish loyalty with your service, okay, प्रत्येक वेळी त्या कन्झ्युमरची जेव्हा नीड त्याला फेल्ट होईल, ओके, तेव्हा त्याने तुमच्याच ब्रँडचा किंवा तुमच्याच कंपनीचा विचार करावा असं जर तुम्हाला अपेक्षित असेल तर काय करणं गरजेचं आहे? Yes, you are supposed to build up, yes, your position. You are supposed to build up your position into the minds of the consumers. Is it? कंझ्युमरच्या मनामध्ये तुमच्या सर्व्हिसची एक इमेज तयार झाली पाहिजे. Is it? Then through service quality, yes, you can establish long-term relationship with the consumers. Okay, see what happens once your consumer is satisfied by consuming your product. Okay, एकदा जरी तुमच्या कंझ्युमरने तुमचं प्रोडक्ट परचेस केल्यानंतर जर तो सॅटिस्फाईड झाला तर काय होईल? Yes, next time whenever he will be feeling same kind of needs, he will be having same kind of expectations, what he will do? He will approach your manufacturing unit, is it? Or he will approach your company. Okay, getting it? Then through this what happens, see, whenever now and then this person visits your organization, ओके, प्रत्येक वेळी जेव्हा तो तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनला भेट देईल, प्रत्येक वेळी जेव्हा तो तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनकडे येईल, इज इट, तुमची सर्विस जी आहे ती कन्झ्युम करेल, ओके, सम काइंड ऑफ डाटाबेस विल बी जनरेटेड बाय यू, राईट? एक प्रकारचा डाटाबेस तुम्ही तयार कराल, राईट? ओके, ड्यू टू दिस व्हॉट विल हॅपन? A relationship will be generated between you and the consumer. That is called as customer relationship. Okay, and you go on managing this relationship because, okay, consumer is the king of market. Okay, consumer is the king of market and we should be caring about this king of market. Is it? We should always be caring about this king of market. Getting it? So due to this what happens? Yes, the sales or the related goals which you have planned for, it will be achieved in time. Okay, it will be achieved in time. Is it? Getting it? Then dimensions of service quality. Okay, dimensions of service quality means what? What are the different requirements of service quality? Means if you think that okay, you should be providing quality to service, then what are the things which are included in the service quality? Means, okay, what are the things which you need to provide so that the consumer will think that युअर प्रोडक्ट इज हॅविंग द सर्विस क्वालिटी. ओके, म्हणजे कोणकोणत्या गोष्टी तुम्ही केल्या पाहिजेत, कोणकोणत्या गोष्टी तुम्ही विचारात घेतल्या पाहिजेत, ओके, जेणेकरून तो जो कन्झ्युमर आहे तो कन्झ्युमर तुमच्या प्रोडक्टकडे बघताना किंवा तुमच्या प्रोडक्टचा विचार करताना हे जे प्रोडक्ट आहे किंवा ही जी कंपनी आहे ती जे सर्व गोष्टी प्रोव्हाइड करते ते क्वालिटेटिव्हच प्रोव्हाइड करते, अशा प्रकारे तो बाकीच्यांना कम्युनिकेट करेल. ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज रिलायबिलिटी. फर्स्ट थिंग इज रिलायबिलिटी. व्हॉट इज रिलायबिलिटी? The reliability dimension which ensures timely delivery time after time helps the service provider to meet the customer expectations fully at the lowest level of service expectations. Okay, see, for example, if you have ordered something, is it? See, nowadays there are many companies, okay, there are many companies who are striving harder, okay, there are many companies who are striving harder, is it, to provide you online services, is it? Just, okay, for example, the home delivery of food, okay, home delivery of food. For example, if you have ordered from so and so website, okay, within half an hour or within 20 to 25 minutes, is it, approx, they deliver you with whatever you have ordered. ओके, बघा काय होतं की हे जे ऑनलाईन वेबसाईट्स आहेत बरेचसे, इज इट, ते ऑनलाईन वेबसाईट्स काय करतात, इज इट, तुमचा आणि त्या सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडरमध्ये एक लिंक निर्माण करतात. इज इट, काय करतात की तुमच्यामध्ये आणि त्या हॉटेल्समध्ये किंवा त्या फूड कोर्ट्समध्ये एक प्रकारचं लिंकेज डेव्हलप करतात. ओके, काय असतं ते लिंकेज, काय करतात ते बघा. येस, they take your orders and after that, yes, they approach the manufacturing unit or they approach the hotels or restaurants. Is it, तुमच्या वतीने ते त्यांच्याकडे जातात, तुमची जी ऑर्डर आहे ते कलेक्ट करतात. इज इट, आणि तुम्हाला विदिन 20 to 25 मिनिट्स त्या ज्या सर्व गोष्टी तुम्ही मागवलेल्या आहेत त्या सर्व गोष्टी तुम्हाला ते देतात. इज इट, नाव ते तुम्हाला एक ड्युरेशन देतात, बरोबर आहे, दे प्रोव्हाइड यू अ ड्युरेशन. इज इट, विदिन 20 मिनिट्स, आफ्टर 25 मिनिट्स वी विल बी डिलिव्हरिंग यू सो अँड सो वॉट एव्हर यू हॅव ऑर्डर्ड. इज इट, तुम्ही जे ऑर्डर केलेलं आहे ते 20 ते 25 मिनटात आम्ही तुम्हाला आणून देऊ, अशा प्रकारे ते ॲश्युरन्स देतात आणि तेवढ्याच कालावधीमध्ये ते तुम्हाला आणून देतात, बरोबर आहे ना. इफ त्यांनी तुम्हाला 20 ते 25 मिनिट सांगितलं आणि 1 तासभर आलेच नाहीत, येस, what image of that service provider will be created into your minds की हे जे आहेत ते काय आपल्याला टाईमली सर्विस देत नाहीत, राईट, टाईमली सर्विस देत नाहीत. ओके, सो whenever one of your friend, one of your relative, whenever they will be thinking about this option, is it, त्याच वेबसाईटवरून समजा ते ऑर्डर करणार असतील, इज इट, आणि तुमच्याकडे त्यांनी एन्क्वायरी केली, तुमचा फीडबॅक काय असेल, नको, इज इट, त्या वेबसाईटवरून मागवू नकोस, इज इट, एवढा वेळ लागतो, राईट. अँड दोज पीपल, इज इट, दोज पीपल दे विल नॉट इवन डेअर टू ऑर्डर फ्रॉम दॅट. इज इट, दिस कॅन हॅपन. सो what do you mean by reliability? Reliability here means ensuring the timely delivery of your service. Is it, whenever the customer he is in need of such type of service, whether you are able to provide that service or not. Okay. Then second dimension is responsiveness. Okay, responsiveness. What is responsiveness? Responsiveness means, okay, are you willing to help the customer? Yes, are you willing to help the customer? Is it? See, if is it hospital service, right? Okay, hospital service. If someone calls you for emergency, okay, how immediately your ambulance, is it, or your emergency service you make available for them? Is it? Okay, how you respond them? This is very important. Okay, this is very important. Means what? Yes, whenever a customer orders something, whenever a customer orders something, is it, how prompt you are? How prompt you are? Is it? Immediately if you carry on the further processes, then what will happen? Yes, if you respond in a proper manner, is it? If you respond in a proper manner, then surely the customer will refer your service to other people. Is it? The customer will refer your service to other people. Or else what will happen? They will never recommend your service to other people. ओके, ते काय करतील? बाकीच्यांना तुमच्या सर्व्हिसबद्दल कधीच सांगणार नाहीत. Getting it? Then assurance. Yes, what is assurance? See, assurance means a guarantee. Yes, a guarantee given by the service provider to the customer. Now, whenever we think about assurance, this part, so assurance here means the guarantee given by the service provider, to the customer. Is it? Means, are you able to build trust and confidence into the minds of the consumer? Is it? Means whatsoever will be, see, there are certain names, right? Names or brands, is it? Into service industry also. Few of the hotels, right? Few of the chat centers and all, okay? They provide you with the assurance, is it? See, once you taste something from there, is it? Whatsoever product will be added to their menu list, okay? Surely, somewhere as a customer, is it, a confidence is built up into your mind that, is it, whatsoever the service provider will be providing to me, is it will be having a quality into it. Is it? Such kind of sense should be developed into the minds of the consumer. Okay, and who can develop this? Yes, the service provider itself. Okay, so at the first time or at the initial stage, whenever you are providing anything to the customer, you are, yes, making available anything or initiating anything to the consumer. At that time itself, you should always be caring about a thing that whatsoever you are providing to that person, yes, you are having quality into it, Due to this, what happens? Okay, a sense of trust, a confidence will be developed into the minds of the consumers. Is it? Okay. Then empathy. It refers to caring, individualized attention the service firm provides each customer. Okay, means whenever the customer approaches your service providing unit, at the time, do you welcome that person or you don't pay attention to that person? That is important. See, is it even if your consumer, he has approached you for a small period of time or for purchasing something which is having negligible amount, still each customer is that important. Is it? Each customer is that important. Okay, what you should do? You should attend each and every customer in the same way. Is it? In the same way. If you have subjective approach, if you are making difference in the provision of service, is it? What will happen? It will badly affect the future of your organization. Is it? The future of your company. Is it? So if you think that the consumer should always think about your brand whenever he feels the same kind of need, then yes, you should be able to care about the feelings of the customers. Okay, then tangibles. It refers to physical facilities, equipments, and appearance of a service firm's employees. Okay, see, whenever a waiter is approaching to the customer, is it? The way he is dressed up, the way he is wearing his attire, is it? For example, see, if someone, that is the waiter, whenever he is bringing water to you for serving you, is it? तुमच्याकडे तो वेटर येतोय पाणी घेऊन, इज इट? 4 ग्लास पाणी तो घेऊन येतोय, इज इट? त्या 4 ग्लास पाण्यामध्ये त्यांनी समजा 4 बोटं त्याची बुडवली असतील. येस, विल यू ड्रिंक दॅट वॉटर? नो, तुमची इच्छासुद्धा होणार नाही. बरोबर आहे? ओके. नाव वेदर, इफ द युनिफॉर्म विच द वेटर इज वेअरिंग, if it is not clean, if it is full of dirt, is it? मळला आहे कुठेतरी, स्वेट दिसतोय त्याच्यावरती कुठेतरी, इज इट? अशा प्रकारे युनिफॉर्म त्यांनी घातला असेल, येस, यू विल नॉट ईट देअर, राईट? ओके. सो tangibles here means the appearance of your staff, the interior of the hotel, is it? Or the service providing unit, is it? Overall the look of your unit, of your organization, it is also that important. Then, so these are the 5 dimensions which define your service quality. Okay, if you are able to timely provide the service, if you react positively to every customer, if you provide the guarantee to the customer, is it? If you are able to gain confidence from the customer, yes, do you care about the customer? And what is the appearance of your physical resources as well as human resources of your organization, is it? These are the 5 things which you should be caring about. Okay, so with this we conclude today's lecture. Okay, in the next lecture we will go through the gap model. With this, we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.